May I come in, doctor?
Yes, come in and take your seat, please.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, at first tell me your name, please. What's your name?
My name is Mohammad Ismail Hussain.
Mohammad Ismail Hussain. Okay, fine. And how old are you?
I am 22 years old.
22 years old. Okay. Okay, Ismail, now tell me what are the problems that you are facing right now. Okay.
Actually, doctor, I have been suffering from fever last 2 days. Also, I have stomachache. I am feeling very bad, doctor.
Okay, Ismail, did you take any medicine?
Yes, doctor, I took some medicine last night, but my condition is same.
So, Ismail, do you have any other symptoms? Please tell me.
Yeah, doctor, I also feel nauseous
Okay.
and sometimes vomiting.
Okay, Ismail, did you eat anything unusual before got sick? Tell me.
Yes, doctor, I ate some fast food from state 2 days ago.
Oh, that might be the cause. I understand. Okay, Ismail, let me check your temperature and your blood pressure, okay?
Sure, doctor.
So, Ismail, you have a mild fever right now. It seems like a case of food poisoning. You ate some food from states and that's why you are facing this problem, okay?
Is it serious, doctor?
Don't worry, Ismail, it's not serious, okay? Don't eat street food from any street, okay? It's very dangerous for health.
Okay, fine.
I am prescribing you some medicine. You have to take this medicine on time. I hope you will be well soon, okay? So, Ismail, take this medicine on time, okay? Take it.
Okay, fine. Thank you, doctor. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. I hope you will get well soon.